What's good, SSK squad? Okay, so puppies just came. They coming. She still got more in there. I really wanna know what she gonna have, like what color. But we out here. Let's see. Y'all see Bang Bang. He's slumped, but yeah. These pups crazy. These pups look crazy. These pups look crazy. Y'all seeing? There's still more. We're still waiting, but I'm about to put the phone down and I'm about to watch with me. I don't know where I can put it at. But I'm gonna see you guys when another puppy coming out. I gotta pop the damn sack.
It's a good gig once you get started. Once you're done apprenticing, I'll be bringing home $25 an hour by the time Maddie's in the first grade.
That's really great, John. It's gonna be good for Maddie.
Good for all three of us.
Please don't factor me in.
That puppy came out legs first. Oh, that puppy was bleached.
Come on, mama. What's good, SSK? So we currently got 4 puppies. Currently got 4 females. All male, all females. Not one male yet. She's spitting them puppies out though. I hope I see some more. Merle. She doing good though. She's a good mother. But I'm about to help her them latch and then let me get back to you guys. What's good, SSK squad? Okay, so it's a day later. All the puppies here. This puppy got a cleft. If you don't know what a cleft is, it's like a split lip. So I have to feed him on the hour. So I gotta feed him. I'm feeding him every hour because he look like he underweight. They was born yesterday. I give him 10 ml, so he'll be full. More than enough. 10 ml. I see him. He a fire boy. I don't want him to die. Cause it's like his lip is stopping him from eating. It's coming right out his mouth. The nipple. And the other puppies is bigger than him, so they be pushing him out the way. So yeah, that's what I'm currently doing. After I finished feeding him, I'm gonna show you the guys' puppies. She had 10. Just trying to get this boy right. I really don't want him to die on me. What's good, guys? I forgot I was recording. I'm just scared for this puppy right here. But yeah, I'm very scared for this puppy. I hope he live. Well, we gonna say he gonna live, but he's not like fat like the other ones. But I'm gonna make sure he live. I'm gonna feed him every hour. But I'll see you guys in the next scene. What's good, SSK squad? Okay, so it's day what? 3 with this puppy. I'm trying to keep this boy alive. You know what I'm saying? I had to go buy some milk. Cause at first I was just squeezing the mother milk inside of a tube, but she not giving me that much milk. Like 1 minute she would, 1 minute she won't. And I couldn't feed him as often as I wanted to. So now since I got milk for him, I can feed him basically whenever I want, but I feed him like every 2 hours. But I'm trying to do it like every hour and a half, something like that. But I ain't really record her birth like that. Like I was busy, like I wasn't even worried about no camera for real. Like I ain't had nowhere to put it. Like cause I'm on my phone, so I don't got no thing to set the camera up. But follow my Instagram page, South Street Kennels. Like, come on, like, subscribe to my channel. I be getting all these people watching my jump, but nobody be subscribing. Like, they be mad views. Like, come on, please, do it for me. Like I don't be getting no subscribers. That jump be making me not even want to record. Like, for real, sometimes. If I start getting subscribers, that should motivate me to keep going. You feel me? But yeah, I'm just feeding this puppy. I feed him 15 mLs. But yeah, puppy's doing good. Pup's doing real good. I see him. They doing good. They healthy, fat. My keeper is the blue male. But yeah, I need y'all to subscribe, man. But yeah, see you on the next thing. What's good, SSK squad? Okay, so got something to tell you guys. So the puppy did not make it. Like, I'm so mad right now. Like, that boy was gonna be special. Like, that boy looked crazy and he had some crazy color in him, but it's okay. It's just the beginning. Like, it's all good, but I need you guys to do me a favor. Just one favor. I need you to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, subscribe right now. Just hit that red button, please. Like, you did it? Alright. But yeah, like, it's only up from here. Like, it's just the beginning for me. Just the beginning. We got a lot more content coming to the channel. I'm gonna make a video. I don't even know what my next video is gonna be, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated on these pups as the journey begins. So you guys stay posted. Hit that button so you can be notified when I'm dropping the video. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video off right here. Like, comment, subscribe. Do what you guys do best.